Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so nothing breaks mid-change. First, open Windows settings and set your region and time zone to the country you want. This ensures the Microsoft Store shows correct content. Next, sign into the Microsoft account you use for Game Pass. If you need a local payment method, prepare it now or use a gift card for that country. Once done, make sure any active subscriptions are noted, because billing can shift when the region changes. Now you perform the region switch inside the Microsoft Store. Go to your profile, choose Settings, then Country or Region, pick the new country and confirm. Sign out of the store and close it completely, then restart to force content refresh. After restart, update your payment information to match the new country or redeem a regional gift card if you do not have local billing. You do this because the store and Game Pass availability are tied to the store region, not just Windows settings. Finish by opening the Xbox app and signing in. Check that your Game Pass library reflects the new region. If some titles are missing, clear both the Microsoft Store cache, WS Reset, and the Xbox app cache, or reinstall the apps to force a full sync. If billing or purchases are blocked, note that account region changes sometimes require a 24-hour wait or contact with Microsoft support. Make sure to test purchases with a small item or gift card before assuming everything migrated correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.